Realme has officially launched the Realme C3 in India. Just like the Realme 5 launch event, this was a soft launch where the company played a pre-recorded video explaining the various features of the smartphone. As expected, the Realme C3 comes with a polycarbonate back panel with a pattern design, which is called sunrise design in blue and red colors. The base variant of the Realme C3 comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage and retails for Rs 6,999. Whereas the higher end variant with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage costs 1000 more and comes with a price tag of Rs 7,999. Both models will be on sale on Flipkart and Realme.com along with Realme stores starting from February 14th at 12 noon. As a launch offer, Flipkart is offering Rs 1000 off with an exchange offer, and there is also Rs 7550 worth benefits from Jio. This is a quick unboxing video of the Realme C3. So, without any further delays, let's quickly begin. So that's all for now. If you want to stay updated with the latest happening around the tech industry, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.